For decades, controlling weight has required a second, unpaid job, the meticulous physical labor of measuring every single thing you consume. Even with the arrival of smartphones, the process remained frustratingly manual. Typing out ingredients, scrolling through endless databases trying to find the exact entry for boiled rice, and guessing portion sizes. This cognitive load leads to a documented 30 to 40% margin of error. Eventually, you step on the scale and see progress stall. When hidden calorie miscalculations add up, the frustration often leads users to abandon their goals entirely. PlateIQ addresses this by automating the logging phase. By leveraging advanced artificial intelligence, calorie tracking is reduced to a single photographic reflex. By removing the overhead of manual logging, the focus shifts from the labor of tracking back to the nutrition itself. The data entry bottleneck that once derailed most diets has been significantly narrowed. When you point your camera at a complex meal, like a plate of grilled chicken, rice, and broccoli, the app begins a rapid analysis. Let's slow down that 2 to 5 second processing window. This diagram shows the first microsecond of processing. Sent to the Gemini 2.5 flash model, the AI separates the image, mapping out the chicken, rice, and broccoli. Instantly, the system calculates volume, converting visual data into estimated portion sizes. Next, an automated allergen detection layer cross-references these identified ingredients against your personal profile. If the AI identifies a potential threat, like the dairy cream used in a sauce, it immediately flags it. Finally, the app grades the meal's balance, returning a green, yellow, or red verdict based on the macronutrient density of the foods detected. In the time it takes to pick up your fork, the AI has performed the exhaustive visual analysis of a forensic nutritionist. The extracted proteins, fats, and carbohydrates are instantly deducted from your daily target. PlateIQ calculates this target using the scientific Mifflin-Sajor equation, tailored to your specific body metrics. But tracking isn't just about recording what fits. It's about managing the outliers, like an 800-calorie slice of cake. For these moments, the app utilizes the metabolic equivalent of task, or MET protocol. This diagram illustrates how the system handles a surplus. It calculates the exact physical activity required to offset that specific meal, translating those 800 calories into a tangible goal, like 90 minutes of brisk walking, based on your current body weight. When photography isn't viable, like with a prepackaged snack, the barcode scanner pulls precise nutritional data from the Open Food Facts database. And if you've already eaten, you can rely on natural language processing. Simply type "an apple and coffee with milk," and the AI parses your description into accurate nutritional data. Whether through a photo, a scanned barcode, or a short sentence, PlateIQ captures the intake data that usually slips through the cracks, closing the gap between what we think we eat and what we actually consume. Older tracking applications act as passive ledgers. They collect your numbers and leave the interpretation entirely up to you. Instead, PlateIQ operates as a proactive advisor. Living inside the app's modular bento grid dashboard is the AI coach. This feature continuously analyzes your behavioral trends over rolling 7- and 30-day periods. Looking at this 7-day calendar chart, the AI identifies patterns that usually go unnoticed. It flags those red spikes of chronic weekend overeating or a weekday protein deficit and issues specific, actionable advice to correct your course. Based on your current streak and adherence to your targets, the AI runs a predictive forecast. It calculates the calendar date you will likely reach your target weight if you maintain your current pace. This entire tracking ecosystem, which also monitors your hydration and daily physical activity, spanning Android, Windows, and Mac OS, supporting 6 different languages. You can download PlateIQ from the Google Play Store using the link in the description below to try out the free AI scans today. The hardest part of dieting used to be the record keeping. Now, you just have to take the picture and let artificial intelligence decode your diet.